Hello friends, welcome back to Momentum Stocks. In today's video, we are going to discuss about Nifty, Bank Nifty, and I am going to give you one stock for buy and one stock for sell for tomorrow's trading session, that is Friday on October 28th, friends. Coming to our previous analysis where I gave you Sun Pharma for a buy. Okay, you see Sun Pharma gave a gap up followed by upward momentum, came a little down, again upward momentum, and gave its closing at almost the day high, friends. I would not say complete day high, but it is almost day high. So nothing wrong in saying that our target was achieved here. Bharti Airtel, I told you yesterday that it will give a gap up. You can book profits with gap up, and you have seen a very good momentum in Bharti Airtel, and it also gave a very good upward momentum. I hope you made money in both these stocks. Coming to sell stock, we talked about Wipro gap up. I told you can sell at these levels also. It gave a doji candle here. Our stop loss would be at the top of doji, and very good fall. This was our target, this was our target. All targets met, no questions asked. Now it will be perfect saying that we met target in all our three stocks. That doesn't mean that we'll hit our targets on tomorrow's stocks as well, friends. See, in last couple of few videos you might have seen whatever I am saying is happening, and that's the reason obviously our subscribers are increasing, but that doesn't mean that you'll blindly go ahead and invest as soon as I am saying something. You have to still be cautious. You have to keep your stop losses in place. Ensure that when trades are going against you, you take proper exit. Okay, and needless to say, I'll keep quiet here, but yes. Anyways, coming to, I hope you understood, friends. But then coming back to Nifty, see, Nifty casted a gap up followed by a clear downward momentum till here. It touched the gap and then it went up. Okay, gap filling was done and went up. Bank Nifty gap up. Did it do the gap filling? The answer is no, and then it went up just like Nifty. Nifty almost went 50% upwards, but unfortunately our Bank Nifty could not go so much. If you see, Nifty has gone 50% upwards and Bank Nifty was poor fellow. He could not make that much of momentum upwards. See, it has only gone till 38.2. I hope that is clear. And before we proceed, let's listen to our music as a part of our tradition. Without that, our stocks will not perform, friends. Just on a lighter note. So hope you enjoyed that music. Anyways, coming to analysis for tomorrow. Now what do we see in Nifty? We see a clear trend line breakout here. What are we going to do? We are going to wait for a retest till here. What are the levels? 17,691. Once this levels are touched, that is when it will start going up, friends. If you see a gap up, okay, tomorrow, which is quite possible, and the gap up is somewhere at these levels or below these levels, we can create a buy position immediately. What's next? You will see some kind of retracement here, some kind of confusion, followed by a breakout. If there is a gap up somewhere here, your target is here. You will wait. Once a breakout is done, that's when you will create a an entry at the retest at this levels, friends. What are the levels? 17,799. Today itself, Nifty and Bank Nifty should have broken those levels, but what has happened is there was so much of bullishness created by all TV channels, every analyst, that everyone was on buy side. Now if everyone is on buy side, what would happen? There are no sellers. It will start coming down. That's exactly what happened today. Anyways, I hope you understood the logic how we are going to trade Nifty. Coming to Bank Nifty, similar kind of a pattern here. Breakout has just happened. So in case of Bank Nifty, you can create buy positions immediately, or retest levels are little lower, just 20-30 points down. What will be your stop loss? Will you keep this as your stop loss? The answer is no, not here. This area is your stop loss, friends, somewhere here. Okay, this particular level is your stop loss. Why? Because we see something called a head and shoulder pattern, a kind of head and shoulder pattern which is forming here. This is your left shoulder, this is your head, and we are expecting a right shoulder. Now this level can be broken, but once this level is broken, then it will go ahead and break this level also. So we'll create a buy position somewhere here and keep this as our stop loss, as I mentioned. Target, see, this is your ultimate target, which is 41,485, but the target for head and shoulder pattern is forming around 41,428, friends. Okay, 25, 28, this levels is where your target for head and shoulder lies. I hope you understood the logic how we are going to take trades on Nifty and Bank Nifty on buy side. Now let's think opposite. When will we create sell? Simple. We have this trend line. If I extend it, you can see another touch here. Clear cut trend line. 1 second. Okay. As soon as this trend line is broken on the downside, that's when we can create sell positions at the retest. What will be our target? Our target will be, first target would be this low, followed by second target, which is the gap filling level at this area. Okay, what is the level there? It is 17,582, friends. Bank Nifty, when will we create sell positions? Simple. Look at this, friends. Here situation is a little different. If I am drawing a trend line here, already a clear breakdown is triggered here, and we are at a retest almost. So situation is a little different here. So in this case, when we are going to create a sell position is at the cross of this particular trend line. My view on Nifty and Bank Nifty both is currently positive. Okay. However, you should have these levels handy just in case it starts falling. We should have the levels handy, friends. That is the reason I am giving you these levels. Coming to buy stock for tomorrow. Buy for stock for tomorrow is Nestle India. Reason is simple. You can see towards the end of the day, there is a very good momentum that came upwards. I understand we did not close at the high, but these candles suggest the strength in the stock, friends. Okay. As soon as it starts moving upwards from here, you can create buy positions immediately at 20,156 levels, where it is currently closing. You can create buy position here. This is the only resistance that it is facing now. That is where it saw its rejection. Once you see this area broken, it can straight go till 20,700, friends, where there is the next resistance, not 700, 20,572 to be precise. Okay. Once this level is crossed, it will go ahead and touch these levels. First resistance is here, second resistance is here. So we are suggesting this as a buy stock. Next reason, before giving you the next reason, we'll talk about the sell stock. Sell stock for tomorrow's trading session is HDFC Life. And why? Look at the momentum that came in last minute. It formed a doji candle there. Whenever we see a doji candle at a resistance level, that's when we consider the stock to be weak. In this case, we did not see any kind of doji candle. Now you will say the momentum is the same in this and this stock, in Nestle India and HDFC Life, but there is a difference. Here there is a doji candle. When can we create sell positions? We can create sell positions immediately. The ones who want to be safe can create sell position at the breakout of this trend line. Okay, we are at the resistance right now, or you can wait for this to break out for confirmation for a sell. What will be the target? First target will be this area, second target would be this area. First target is at 534, followed by second target 531. Now I'm going to give you the difference between Nestle India. Now Nestle India is already saying le, mujhe le. That means buy. Anyways, now look at this, friends. If I am looking at a chart at a longer time frame, okay, somewhere from 12th of last month, and I am drawing a Fibo from the bottom to the top, okay, we can see rejection coming at 38.2 levels. Okay, talking about HDFC Life, if I am looking at it from a longer time frame, there are highs here, and if I am drawing a Fibo from the top to bottom, we are at a sell level here. So I hope you understood the difference between both these stocks. Okay, why we are giving this as a sell and this as a buy. I hope you understand the logic, and I am wishing you a very profitable tomorrow, and I hope you liked the video. And also there is another video that I have posted, friends, conversation from my heart to your heart. Don't miss that video. Something that I have talked on my channel for the first time from my heart, friends. Anyways, and if you have not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe and also share it with your friends and family members, basically with anyone who is wanting to learn trading, friends. And that brings us to the end of the video. The video will end at our closing music. Thank you for watching.